Hello viewers, welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be about how to add menu icons to your navigation bar. So we're going to do this using a very simple plugin. So let me show you my website first, and this is my website. As you can see, I have no icons on my navigation bar. So to do this, you need to install a small plugin. Let's go to plugin, add new, and search for a plugin called menu icon. Make sure to give a space in between menu and icon. So this is the plugin. As you can see, it has 200,000 plus installations. Just go ahead and install this plugin and don't forget to activate it. After you install and activate this plugin, now it's time to configure this. Just go to appearances and select menu, and here select the menu you want to edit, and open the page and select the icon. You can also search for the icon on the top. Let me search for home because I'm doing this for home page. I'll select this home icon and that's it. Let's do it for one more page. Just click on contact, and from icon click on select, and here you can search for your icon. I will search for phone and select this icon and click on select, and don't forget to save the menu. And now let's see how it looks on our website. Just open your website in a new tab. And here you can see we have this small icons next to our menus. So this is how you can add the icons to your navigation bar. You can add this to all the pages in your menu. If you want more videos on WordPress and cPanel, you can check out my channel. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.